Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Today in this video I am sharing with you how to decorate dining table for every day. I am shopping my own home and this is a tip for you as well. Before you start thinking that you have to buy an array of things, just run around the house and see what you have. Before I start this, I want to put a cake in the oven for evening snacks. And today I am making a delicious gluten-free orange cake. In tea cake, this is our most family favorite cake. And you will know why. Just wait till the end when I show you. You just cannot have one slice of this. It is soft, fragrant, moist, and so delicious, I cannot tell you. No need of artificial flavor. We'll be using fresh oranges and its zest. If you're planning to make this cake, do watch the entire video on my Dough Delight channel, where I have made this in detail along with all tips, tricks and everything. But if you are a pro baker, I'm leaving the recipe on the screen for you. Now the snacks is sorted, let's move on with the video. Now while in the kitchen I saw this chopping board. This can work as a perfect centerpiece to corral everything on the dining table. If you have watched my previous video where I have shown you coffee table decor ideas, I have spoken in detail about the theory of a triangle and proportion, height and color. We are using almost similar principles, but with a very utilitarian based thought process. We will have jars or canisters for salt and sugar, or maybe pickles, because that's what we need on a dining table every day, don't we? Those are the little things that we forget when we have served the food on the table. Making it accessible on the dining table really makes the daily life at least very easy. This table setup, I have used these bamboo placemats and attached them edge to edge to create two runners, and adding a pizza tray in the middle along with salt and sugar jars, and I have added some faux greenery and a candle. I think that makes a very cute, adorable centerpiece. In this video, all the tablecloth that I am using are not traditional tablecloth. Like for this is a single bed sheet. I picked it up from Amazon at almost a throwaway price. The first fabric that you saw was from IKEA. I got it on a discount. For this centerpiece, I am going to use this bamboo tray. I've shown this bamboo tray in many of my videos using another pedestal that I have used so many times around the home. This little wooden box was a gift last year in Diwali and it came with these glass jars. Now this is perfect to hold pickles, salt, jaggery, anything if you live in a place where it is extremely humid like Mumbai. So it's a perfect airtight container. Also you can store some snacks in it. I'm just adding a small little trinket dish. Instead of trinket dish you can add a tissue paper box. I'm adding some greenery, either faux or real, choice is yours. I won't judge, I promise. This sort of setup is perfect if you do not want too many bottles or jar or want to reuse any of the boxes. Few months back I picked up this rattan placemats and by far I have not been able to use it honestly. I'm in love with these rattan placemats. They're pretty heavy though. And also if you're using directly on a glass surface or a marble, so beware, it might scratch the surface. But they add such a whimsy to the table. Honestly, I cannot wait to use these placemats for several of my tablescapes. This little brass trinket dish, I'm just keeping a small matchbox. You will see me using this more and more in the video ahead. And again, for the candle, I am trying to DIY a Fab India Home Center style, a hurricane candle. I have used a wooden bowl and in that I have added this glass vase. This glass vase came with a floral arrangement as our anniversary gift last year. So it was again a gift. And I'm inverting this another wooden bowl. This wooden bowl came in set of 3 from Amazon and adding on top a fluted marble tray. And that's it. For this next look, this is a single striped bedspread that I'm using. And for the placemats, I am using this jute woven placemats. If you have been along with me for quite some time, you know that this placemat has been with me for more than 5 or 6 years. I am also using this tray. I really like this wooden tray because it has a beautiful live edge. This look is perfect for those evenings when you do not want too much on your dining table and still want to create that whimsical evening. For next look, I'm using this woven tray with black accent color here. Now this black I have used a lot around my home, so it kind of ties everything together, plus it adds a lot of contrast to the light color table. I'll keep it simple and add 2 cellars. These are marble cellars where I have added salt and sugar. For everyday dining, you can also add some of your cutleries, though I don't add cutleries in caddies. This is a caddy that I use when I have guests over. So I'll just add it at the opposite side of the table. While the cakes were resting, Ishi ate all the top of the cake, as you can see. The cake is so fragrant, so delicious, moist and soft to touch. I highly encourage you to watch the full video on my channel before you attempt to make this, because I have shared lots of tips and tricks and small little nuances in making the cake perfect. This is the look that I'm going to keep for next couple of days. I'm using this again a rattan tray and adding couple of jars. One has salt, one has sugar, one has jaggery, and one has chaat masala kind of powder. I also have my honey pot there because we often need it for our tea or something. And in this trinket, I'll add a couple of tissue paper, this water jar is from IKEA and I'll add that on one side. And yes, this is my everyday tablescape. I'll show you how I attach that glass vase to this. Once you have finalized the design, do not forget to add this because it keeps them sturdy. I have used some masking tape and some double-sided strong adhesive tape. I had to add a foam in between because later on I realized the base of the vase is slightly convex. But after that it became really solid and it was not moving anywhere, as you can see. How did you like the video? Do leave me a comment. If you want to watch a part 2 of this where I use only table runners or a tablescape for parties, then do let me know in the comments section. That's the best way we interact together. I'll add my everyday crockery tray and I am ready for the dinner time. Let me just show you what all I add on this tray. I have my dinner plates, some dinner napkins, and on top of that I add my bowls for sabzi or dal or something, and then lots of cutleries and the glasses for the day. If you watched till here, do leave a comment or like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and show your love in the comment section. Share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you have some video recommendation, do leave me in the comment section what you would want to watch or you want me to bake or make. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.